Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling voice control so your device listens reliably. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control, tap Set up Voice Control and allow the download. Once done, pick the language and select your microphone, built-in for everyday use or Bluetooth for a headset. Make sure background, app refresh, and microphone access are allowed so commands register. You're initiating the core service now. This step prepares iOS to accept hands-free commands and ensures consistent recognition across apps. Next, learn and customize the commands you'll use every day. Start with basics. Say open followed by the app name, tap, then a button label, or scroll down to move pages. Once done, use direct names for contacts, mail, or messages to jump into conversations. Make custom commands in voice control, customize commands to streamline repetitive tasks, assign phrases to taps, gestures, or shortcuts. Practice a few combos so recognition improves, and make small adjustments to phrase wording when you notice repeated errors. To finish, refine settings and handle issues quickly. Open voice control settings to adjust listening sensitivity, add vocabulary, and enable or disable continuous listening for privacy. Use show commands to view context-specific phrases for apps and actions so you know what to say. If voice control mishears you, restart your device or toggle voice control off and on to reset recognition. If problems persist, remove custom commands that conflict. Check microphone permissions and make sure any Bluetooth audio isn't interfering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.